Are you looking for the best slow cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best slow cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart CookCentral 6-Quart Multi-Cooker. Cuisinart's 6-quart slow cooker is an obvious choice for beginners, and in our latest round of testing, it turned out to be the top pick, period. The interface and buttons are straightforward and simple, so you'll have no trouble even if you've never used a slow cooker before. We like that separate screens show time and temperature so you don't have to scroll through any displays. The Cuisinart has just enough settings to make it a versatile pick without becoming overly complicated. In addition to the standard high and low cook temperatures, there are options for sautéing, steaming, and keeping a dish warm. The wide, shallow cooking pot ensures even heat distribution and gives you lots of surface area for browning, especially on the sauté setting. It's perfect for searing large cuts of meat before braising or getting some color on your veggies before slow cooking a batch of curry. A 6-quart pot size is perfect for big batches of cozy winter meals, but the Cuisinart CookCentral machine itself is a little larger than other 6-quart models. It may not be the best option if you're short on space or have a smaller household. Despite its size, the whole cooker was surprisingly lightweight. The lid and removable pot are both dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. If you plan to travel with this slow cooker, though, you'll need to tie the lid down with twine or a kitchen towel. It doesn't have a lock and can move around loosely atop the pot. Capacity, 6 quarts, pot material, aluminum, weight, 16 pounds, dimensions, 11 by 18 by 10.5 inches, dishwasher safe, yes, settings, high, low, simmer, brown/sauté, steam, keep warm. Number 2. GreenPan Elite Slow Cooker. This GreenPan slow cooker is loaded with handy settings, making it endlessly versatile. And it's not bad to look at, either. It's available in various luxe colors to match any kitchen decor and appliances. The sleek design may have you considering keeping it on display, though the rounded rectangle shape and lightweight construction aren't awkward to store if you don't have to counter space. We love the inclusion of a stainless steel steamer, which is dishwasher safe along with the tempered glass lid and pot. The LCD screen and buttons on the control panel are easy to use. Beyond the expected high and low settings, the GreenPan also includes simmer/buffet, sauté/brown, and steaming functions. We loved it for one-pot meals. It's easy to sear and braise large cuts of meat all in the one appliance. The inner pot has a non-stick ceramic coating that's easy to clean, but we still got a surprisingly good sear on a chuck for beef stew. Our short ribs fell off the bone in our lab tests without effort, and carrots were fork tender. The trade-off for all that high performance is that this slow cooker is on the higher end of the cost spectrum. Capacity, 6 quarts, pot material, non-stick ceramic, weight, 13.7 pounds, dimensions, 19 by 13.4 by 10.9 inches, dishwasher safe, yes, settings, high, low, keep warm, roast, brown/sauté, steam, simmer/buffet, reheat. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Defrost and Go Programmable 6-Quart Slow Cooker. A versatile slow cooker doesn't have to break the bank. This model from Hamilton Beach is well under $100 and kept up with far pricier competitors in testing. For holiday meals, tailgating, or big events where you might need to travel and then cook, or those days when you forget to take the meat out of the freezer in time, this slow cooker has a nifty feature that can safely defrost and cook a protein automatically. It also takes the guesswork out of timing for cooking large cuts of meat with an integrated probe automatically switches the cooker to keep warm mode once the target temperature is reached. During testing, we liked this especially with leaner proteins to eliminate the risk of overcooking and drying out. Another helpful feature for on-the-go cooking is the clip-tight lid, which prevents spills when you need to pack the cooker in the trunk or back seat for transport. The probe and defrost features are valuable and set this cooker apart, but we wish it had a more extensive set of cooking options. There's no sear or steam, so you'll need separate cookware for dry heat methods. Even with the slightly more limited settings, the Hamilton Beach slow cooker could still keep up with other, more expensive or comprehensive models during testing. In lab tests, our carrots came out perfectly cooked, and our chili had a thick, stew-like texture. In our home tests, we got a tender beef chuck that was easily shredded. Capacity, 6 quarts, pot material, ceramic, weight, 12.3 pounds, dimensions, 17.1 by 11.8 by 11.4 inches, dishwasher safe, yes, settings, high, low, keep warm, defrost. Number 4. Crock-Pot Programmable Slow Cooker. The 8-quart capacity of this Crock-Pot model is perfect for large families or serious meal prepping. The larger pot has a bigger footprint and requires more storage space than any 6-quart model, but there's also more cooking surface for browning and more room for food to spread out and cook evenly. In our lab tests, our braised short ribs fell right off the bone and were some of our favorites of the day. The heating element is seated below the interior pot, and we noticed no hot spots. If you're looking for high-capacity appliances, this is one for you. It can easily feed over 10 people and is ideal for events. While the Crock-Pot's pared-down interface is easy to use, the trade-off is that it has just 3 temperature modes and a timer. Frequent slow cooker users may want more versatility. During testing, we also noticed that the lid didn't fit very snugly. It rattled around when food was at an aggressive simmer, and we had some messy bubbling over in home testing. If you're looking for a portable cooker or are concerned about spills from full batches or high cooking, this is something to note. Capacity, 8 quarts, pot material, ceramic, weight, 15 pounds, dimensions, 9.5 by 15.4 by 15.3 inches, dishwasher safe, yes, settings, low, medium, high. Number 5. Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multi-Cooker and Programmable Slow Cooker. Making 2 dips for a party? Need to make a second batch of chili when a vegetarian comes over for dinner? Don't feel like lugging out multiple pots and pans to saute meat and steam veggies? You need the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multi-Cooker, which allows you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously in the same machine. The versatility of its divided cooking chamber streamlines weeknight dinners and is the ultimate meal prep tool. During our tests, we were impressed with the variety of functions. Beyond the standard high/low slow cook, steam, and keep warm, this cooker also has settings for rice or grains and an even baking function. The timer has a handy sync finish settings so both sides can be done cooking at the same time. Our short ribs from this cooker were some of the best. They took on a lot of color and were extremely flavorful. We liked the subdivided pot but would have liked the option of a second, full-sized pot insert. If you aren't making 2 separate dishes, you'll have to split your batch between the twin 3.7-quart pots. There's a different version of the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal that includes a single 8-quart pot, though it lacks a bake mode. Capacity, 7.4 quarts, 3.7 quarts per pot, pot material, ceramic-coated metal, weight, 12 pounds, dimensions, 18 by 12.25 by 9.25 inches, dishwasher safe, no, settings, high, low, sear/saute, bake, rice/steam, warm.